Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to crochet this beautiful heart stitch. I was looking everywhere for a heart stitch that creates hearts from the side instead of from the bottom, because I wanted to make this heart bow with decreases, but I couldn't find one, so I came up with this design myself, so I hope you like it. This stitch creates diagonal hearts and is worked in a 4-row repeat. That means what looks like 2 rows of hearts is actually 4 rows, and I did the 4 rows twice. Each repeat is 17 stitches wide. That means these 4 hearts are 17 stitches, but I will be adding 1 extra stitch on each side. So if you want to make a longer project, you will need a multiple of 17 plus 2. And by the way, I am counting my chain 2 as 1 stitch. So let's get started. For this tutorial I will be using sport weight yarn and 3.5mm hook, but you can use any yarn and hook combo you like. To begin, I will start by chaining 18, then I will chain 2 more, which counts as my first stitch. That gives me a total of 19 stitches. And for the first row I will do a simple row of half double crochets. This will create a little border for the stitch pattern. Now let's create the actual heart stitch pattern. I will start by chaining 2, which counts as my first stitch, and then the 17 stitch repeat starts. First make a double crochet into the first stitch, then chain 2, skip 1 stitch and slip stitch into the next stitch. This is how it looks after the first slip stitch, and after you're done with that, slip stitch into next 2 stitches and then chain 2 and then chain 3 and create a picot from the chain 3. So slip stitch into the third stitch from your hook. That means you will chain 5 and slip stitch into the third stitch from your hook. You can now almost see 1/2 of your heart. Now just double crochet into the same stitch where you did your last slip stitch, and now make 1 double crochet in next 3 stitches. And that is the first heart. Now let's make the second one. It's the same steps. So make 1 double crochet, then chain 2, skip 1 stitch and slip stitch into the next stitch, then slip stitch into next 2 stitches, then chain 2, make a picot by chaining 3 and slip stitching into the third chain from hook. Then double crochet into the same stitch as your last slip stitch, and then make 4 double crochets. And that completes the 17 stitch repeat, and to finish the row I will add 1 more stitch at the end. And this is how the first row looks. You can see the first 2 half hearts. Now let's move on to row 2. This row will complete the first 2 hearts and start the base for the next ones. I will start by chaining 2, which counts as my first stitch, and then we will begin the 17 stitch repeat. First make 4 double crochets, and then in the stitch where we previously made the picot and the double crochet together, we will work a double crochet 2 together. You will start that by starting double crochet in the first stitch, but stop before finishing, leaving 2 loops on your hook. Then yarn over and start another double crochet in the picot, but again stop before finishing with 3 loops on your hook, and then yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. After that, chain 1, then skip the chain 2 space from the row below and make a double crochet in the next stitch. Then again chain 1 and make another double crochet into the same stitch, and that completes 1 heart. Now continue with 3 double crochets and then repeat the same steps from the first heart. So double crochet 2 together over the next stitch and the picot, then chain 1, skip the chain 2 space and double crochet into the next stitch, and then chain 1 again and double crochet into the same stitch. And that is the full 17 stitch repeat done. And to finish the row, I will add one more stitch at the end, and that's the row 2 complete. In the next row we will start forming the first half of the next 2 hearts. So let's move on to row 3. Row 3 is just like row 1 but shifted over a couple of stitches. I will start by chaining 2, which counts as my first stitch, and then the 17 stitch repeat starts. First make 4 double crochets, then make 1 double crochet into next stitch, and that starts the first heart. Then chain 2, skip 1 stitch and slip stitch into the next stitch, then make 2 slip stitches, then chain 2 and make a picot by chaining 3 more and slip stitching into the third chain from hook. Now make a double crochet into the same stitch where you did your last slip stitch, and after that make 3 double crochets, and that completes the first half. Now for the second heart, it's the same instructions. So make 1 double crochet, chain 2, skip 1 stitch, slip stitch into the next stitch, then slip stitch into the next 2 stitches, then chain 2 and make a picot, then double crochet into the same stitch as your last slip stitch, and I will end the row with 1 last double crochet. And this is how row 3 looks. And now let's move on to row 4. This row is just like row 2 but shifted over a couple of stitches. I will start row 4 by chaining 2, which counts as my first stitch. Then the 17 stitch repeat starts. First work a double crochet 2 together in the first stitch and the picot, then chain 1, then skip the chain 2 space from the row below and make a double crochet into the next stitch, and then chain 1 again and make another double crochet into the same stitch, and after that make 3 double crochets, and that completes 1 heart. Now let's do the second one. It's exactly the same instructions, so work another double crochet 2 together over the next stitch and picot, then chain 1, skip chain 2 space and double crochet into the next stitch, then chain 1 again and double crochet into the same stitch, and then make 4 double crochets. And that's the full 17 stitch repeat, and to finish the row I will add 1 more stitch at the end, and that's the row 4 complete. And that is also the full 4 row repeat for the heart stitch done. I did 4 more rows and just 1 more row of half double crochets to complete this swatch. And I just want to show you how important blocking is for this pattern. This is the heart stitch before blocking, and this is the heart stitch after just quick 10 minutes soaking in water and then 10 minutes in front of the heater blocking. It would probably look a little nicer if I blocked it and pin it down and everything, but it's still a huge difference. Let me know in the comments what you are making with this stitch, and please like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Bye!